In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Olymp Trade. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, create your account, and then once you sign into the platform here, you can go ahead and get started of using the platform. So, for the beginners here, of course, you have your chart in the middle of your screen, and then you can see whatever there is displayed on the chart. So, you can click up here, and then you can change it. You can go into Forex, you can go into stocks. Here you have fixed time, etc. And you can just open up whatever you want. So, for example, if I click on gold over here, it's going to basically open up gold on my chart and I can go ahead and start trading it. If you click on this plus button over here, you could also add something different. So for example, let's say I go to, I don't know, Forex and I go to Bitcoin over here and I can just switch between the two very easily and quickly, okay? Now here on the right hand side, the first thing that's very important before you start using it is selecting the right account. I have a demo account over here and then I have two separate accounts. I can just select whichever one I want to use and then I'll be able to use them on here directly on basically the platform, okay? So I'm gonna go with demo right now, and then here on the right hand side you also have the option to trade. You can always select how much you want to trade, so the amount. You can go plus minus or do it yourself. You can do the duration you want to do, and then here you also can enable orders. So here you can enable them by price or by time if you wanna. And then here you can go ahead and select up or down, and that way you can basically go ahead and start trading, okay? For some other things like Bitcoin, which is inside Forex over here, you'll be able to buy or sell. Again, select the amount, your multipliers. You could do a pending order, auto close, and then you can just buy or sell just like this, okay? And of course, whenever you do that, your position is going to be opened inside the trade section over here on the left hand side, where you can see fixed time, Forex, and stocks. So basically that's whatever you're trading, you'll be able to see it in here. You'll be able to view the full history and then close the position as well. You also have a button which is called the market over here, and you can basically do and see the overview of the market. You have the rewards tab over here in case you want to do any tasks and rewards, and then you have the help page, which basically will allow you to get some support and help center in case you need it. Down here at the bottom, it's just going to say you're basically online, and then up here on the right hand side, you also have the payments button where you can essentially deposit, withdraw, transfer, and see all your transactions. You also have your account where you can basically have different things. Here you could go ahead and get verified. You can change your personal info, your contacts. You can set up a 2FA, change your password, language, appearance, change the trading platform, and basically set notifications, and of course log out of your account. Now here at the bottom left on the chart, you can also see you can basically select what a candle time frame you want. You can change this if you want to. You can change how the chart looks like, so the chart type, and you could also basically get the signals over here. As you can see, you can get inside the signals. And in here, this is basically like copy trading, so signals can be also, of course, used on this platform in case you are into that, okay? But for this, as you can see here, you'll be, of course, notified that you need a subscription to be able to do this. And down here at the bottom, you also have technical analysis, where you can add on different indicators, you can start drawing, put on different strategies, etc. onto your chart to actually do your TA. So that's how to use Olymp Trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.